Welcome back. I'm joined this morning by Betty, Susan, and Sandy from the SEK Animal Advocates, and some really cute dogs here. I know we have Walter and Stella. Great names.
Aren't they great?
I love it. Thank you guys for coming in today.
Oh, thank you for having us. We really appreciate it. We're just here to let all the folks out there know that we're going to be having a Santa Pictures this coming Sunday at the Crawford County Museum. It will be from 1 to 4, and Joyous Photos will be taking care of doing the snaps.
I'm assuming Santa will be there making
Santa, we have rumor. Right? I mean, I believe that you spoke with him.
I've spoken with Santa. Right. He will be there.
Now, when you do Santa pics with animals, can you do like kids in your animals or just the animals, or how does that work, or does it matter?
Well, primarily what this is for animals.
For animals.
I know that Amanda Mitten, who is in charge of the Crawford County Museum, had told me that someone had contacted her to ask if they could bring their lizard. I know, there's something different, but she said, sure, not probably, long as, it stays in where it's supposed to be and not on the floor.
That's right. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what you guys do as an organization, the SEK Animal Advocates?
Susan?
So our primary focus is to help homeless dogs in the area, and we take them in. We have fosters that volunteer to help us. We vaccinate them, make sure they're spayed or neutered, they have a heartworm check, and then we work on finding them homes. Now, unfortunately, there are so many unwanted pets in the area that sometimes we have to take those animals and work with cooperating rescues throughout the Midwest. And so our dogs end up everywhere.
All over the nation, yeah. Where are some of the places where you found rescues to take in animals?
We work a lot with a group of rescues in Minnesota and in Colorado. Every once in a while we'll find a rescue. We had one in Tennessee where the dogs ended up in Virginia and New York. So it really is everywhere.
Do you track their stories, like when they come in? And
we try to. We have a few people who foster. We could always use more, but that get so attached. You can't help yourself, Your heart latches on. And in saying that, these people, can I find out more? What takes place afterwards? Where do they find their new forever homes? And maybe I can help update those new people, too.
Do we have plans for Stella and Walter yet, or their story is just beginning?
So Stella happens to be a foster fail.
Oh,
no. She came from Pittsburgh Animal Control over the summer. She had a little bit of trouble adapting to family life, and she stayed so long that she just is going to stay in our family at the moment. Walter, he's got a forever home too. But we do have lots of dogs that are.
Where's he headed?
To our house. This is Sandy's boy.
This is an example of how
this is how it works.
Yeah. Oh no, that's great though. They look very happy. Yeah. Okay, but you guys have lots. Where are you located at with your animals?
With ourselves, we are a group of 6 women who started the SEK Animal Advocates, and we're spread across the Crawford County area and where we live. And such, myself, I'm a city clerk in Arma, so sometimes I'm able to house some of my dogs there with my city kennel. But Susan lives outside of town herself, and I asked her today, how many dogs does she have? And she really can't tell me.
But I don't want to admit it.
She loves fostering.
And we foster a lot of dogs.
Yes.
For example, over the weekend, we were contacted by law enforcement, and we took in a mother and 8 puppies.
Oh, wow.
On Friday.
Okay. Well, hopefully you can find them homes. Yeah.
Well, yes. The babies did go to a rescue in Kansas City, and we're still working with the mother trying to.
She's under veterinary care because of her condition.
Yeah.
So we have some sad stories, but hopefully happy endings.
Okay. Again, Santa Paw pics are going to be on Sunday from
1 to 4 at the Crawford County Museum. We invite everyone to come. It'll be great.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies, for coming in.
Thanks.
We'll be right back.